Alright, man. I've been searching the internet like I always do. And I've been seeing this little freaking stick figure built. Praying mantis built. Water bottle built. This built little freaking chick named Nadia. I'm tired of her now, bro. I done saw enough of her. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna say nothing. I don't know, cause I'm just now like, I'm new to YouTube. I'm new to these people. You feel what I'm saying? And it's like, the more and more I look, the more disgusted I get with these people.
Out to the side real quick. Just stay right there. Slide down. Nadia, who you going with? You got 4 options.
You know what it be, not me.
Unfortunately, y'all 3 didn't get picked.
Oh girl, I get picked in real life.
Yeah.
Slide.
You know, we got the one dude who doing the 20 versus 1s with kids. We got Freaky Frost over there. We got all these freaky people. And now we got Nadia.
Hey, best friend.
You ugly as a bro. He's not, bro.
Yes.
What?
Best friend.
Bro, you ain't gotta get no extra hug. Cause move.
You hater.
You know, I gotta give him that. I got Nadia, Freaky Frost. I show freak. Like, bro, Nadia, it's your time. You're next. You're up next, bro. I am sick and tired of these Th0t exploits you have going on. Now, what do they like? What is it when they call it? They do these 20 versus 1 characters call you when you in a relationship on purpose because they know you're gonna just do some Th0t stuff that's gonna embarrass the guy you with? The first video I reacted to it a long time ago, you was apparently with a guy and another guy came up to you and just started pulling on your twin, spinning you around and all of this, and your boyfriend right there pissed off.
Put some in my eyes. Get the fuck out of here.
Twin, this gotta be the craziest 20v2, bro.
Yes, bro.
Oh, my boy. Can I fix your water fountain?
Bro, what? Bro. Wait, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm tired of people saying this, bro. Say what you, bro. Shut the fuck up.
Hey. Can I fix your water
I know
fountain?
that's right. You can.
You gonna let this nigga disrespect me? Am I missing something?
I know that's right.
Hey, hold on. Hey, look, no, come here. Who grills hit harder? That's what we finna do right now.
Hey, whoa.
Hey, let's put him in the camera. Put him in the camera.
Hey, no.
Hit harder.
Hey, look.
You know what I'm saying? And then I go see, you feel me? They making reports that you done sold your cat for $5K. I don't know how true that is, but honestly, I can't even blame you. $5K to sell some cat. I'm gonna blame the dude who bought it.
My shit today.
Talk your shit.
I don't do this internet shit. I'm talking about shit today. Fuck Nadia with that motherfucking hot dog in the hallway ass box. I ain't gonna talk about the other influencer. She's still my dog. She kept shit P for real. And tell the girl I told you about last night, I'm still trying to fuck for real.
Okay.
I'm on all type of timing.
Oh.
She come at me crazy. I promise you, I'm letting it out.
And wait, do you have receipts behind that? Because the people may think you're just
finna say that. And if she say I'm lying, I'm pulling up the camera when she walks into my crib, straight up, just like that. Tell me, man.
and where did this take place? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, god damn it. Oh my god. This is a disgrace. Oh my god, Lord have mercy. Oh no. See, and this is the thing. I could have been said her name, right? I just didn't want to. I really felt bad.
You know what I'm saying? Like, long as it was, you feel me? Like, okay, that's your grind. You selling cat for $5K. You feel what I'm saying? On the other hand, you got dudes starting a whole beef about you, around you. It's like you've been with every dude YouTuber.
Give me a hug. Congrats. But shit, I just came.
Pop the balloon is crazy.
You just gonna let him pop the balloon and take the flowers?
No, not the. Oh, wait, no, they didn't
Go
do
ahead.
nothing to
Pick your
y'all.
favorite color, ain't it?
No.
Pick your favorite color. Pick up.
Why would you do that?
Damn.
Why would you do that?
It's good. We're gonna continue this into the second round. I'm going right.
Hold on, y'all come back in the camera frame. Come back in the camera. What's going on, bruh?
Wait,
Hey, he's standing on business.
you got any questions for me?
No, you're
I'm just
good.
good.
Thanks. Yeah.
All right, give me one more. One more hug. One more.
Okay.
All right. All right, for real, man. Hey, watch y'all ass out, man. Stay y'all ass on the side for real, bro. Bro, don't know y'all ass, bro. What you trying to do, bro? What you trying to do, bro? What you trying to do, bro? Bro, what you trying to do, bro? I ain't gonna lie, hey, bro, come here, bro. I ain't gonna lie, come, bro. Slide in this hoe, bro. I ain't gonna lie, get up. Bro, get the one with the.
Y'all chill out, man.
Bro, come on, bro.
Everybody just chill out.
You chilling. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck it. Just let me know what's up right now. After I finish making your girls, they're gonna be fire. I ain't gonna lie. Your girls gonna be hard. Like, your girls gonna be fire. But after I finish making your girls, you gonna have to let me know what's up. Cause you playing both sides right now. I don't like that. But I'm gonna be back for the next round. For sure, alright?
Oh, man.
You've been like with every one of them. Every time I scroll up, you with a new YouTuber. Like, is this your content style? Like, for real, girls look at your content? Or is it guys? I don't know. Are you, but I'm pretty sure your content is for little girls. And you ain't a good example. You with every YouTube guy. But I can't really blame you. I gotta blame these guys because y'all just want to be around the same chick who built like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's wrong with y'all? Y'all YouTube guys need to chill. What's wrong with you? Y'all giving praying mantis built women opportunities to think I don't know who they are. You feel what I'm saying? Guys, y'all sitting up here about to fight on set for this shit.
I'm saying to wrap it off, like.
Hey, I don't give a fuck.
It's outside, space and opportunity.
Hey, I don't fight.
Yeah, that's good.
Play with me.
You shouldn't.
What you talking about? Play with me.
You shouldn't.
I'll punch
You
off
should
on you
fight.
right now, boy.
Chill.
You got yellow teeth, bro. You got butter in between this shit, bro. Don't piss
talking
me
about
off,
the
bro.
wrong shit.
Like, I'm not finna play with you. Then you tried to get it out like I didn't see you, bitch. Fuck. Dumbass nigga, you a bitch to me. Fuck wrong with you, boy.
You said it.
You alright?
Said
I
the
see you
shit.
walked over there. Ain't nobody holding me back, fuck nigga. Alright, so Nadia, who's your final choice? Or do you want both?
I know that. Here till Sunday.
Bet.
Here till Sunday.
Didn't Nunu drop your dumb ass?
Oh my God, you know he can't fuck with me. Your man can't fuck with you. Nunu can't
Bro.
fuck with you. That you?
You can't do shit. Fuck, I'll punch off on you, bitch ass nigga. Fuck wrong with you.
I want that. No, I really want that. No, I really want that from you. I really want that from you. I really want that from you.
Get him on. I'm telling you, bro.
And she just loving every moment of it. Loving, and I think she date girls too. It's just like, dang, she a thought in both lanes. She thoughting everywhere. Just the thoughtness is just everywhere in every field in the LGBTCW community and in the regular community. She just a thought across the board. You know what I'm saying? But you feel me? I just felt like YouTube, y'all, bro, what is it? How do y'all let these people get away with this stuff for so long? You know what I'm saying? I don't get it. Now what's gonna happen is you're gonna have a rise of thought culture on the YouTube. You feel me? who's trying to follow after Thadia. They following after Thadia, and watch, you're gonna have just Th0t in this YouTube. I can already see it's going in that direction right now. And Thadia is gonna be the queen of it. The Th0t YouTube. She might as well just go ahead and start a community. Thadia YouTube community. And all the Th0ts, and you can just train the Th0ts to become Thadia YouTubers. You feel what I'm saying? I'm just tired of y'all. I'm really tired of y'all. I only been on YouTube for 10 months and I'm sick and tired of all of y'all. I don't want to know y'all. I'm not going to never see y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just make me sick. But yeah, I'm done with Nadia today, man. We're going to see who else next make the list. But Nadia, the end, man. See you guys next video, man. Be safe out there, kings and queens.